stop it from getting into an extended position, because if it's extended, it will hyperextend. We want it to make sure that it stops short. There's two different ways of doing this. Again, we could use an elastic fan in between, and I'll just throw a couple on just to show you how to do it. But the best way to do this, and the way that you'll be expected to do it for the exam, is to use a trainer's tape fan. So, first thing, put the anchors on, and the fan is going to be on the anterior aspect of the arm, so we want to start and stop our elastic strips on the back of the arm. And remember, on the skin anchors, we want to start close to the joint and work away from it. Same thing on the forearm. Notice I'm starting this quite close to the joint. On the Achilles, there was actually quite a bit of room between the tape. We were up in between the bottom of the elastic tape and the ankle joint itself. But this time we're really close in here. Get that done, and then if I was going to use elastic tape, just take a unstretched measure, and again clip both edges, both ends in, and split them. Attach. Make sure that you get right on the front here, right at the front of the elbow joint, and just put a little tension on these, wrap them around the back like we did. And now I'm going to bend the arm up just a bit in this position, and make sure that V is on the actual anchoring material. And I could put, again, 2 or 3 of these things on. Underneath the last one, and then pull this and make sure I get some tension on it. If I was just using this crappy tape, I would put a third one on. Now just relax your arm. We'll see what happens. See, your arm is held in some degree of flexion. But I could still, it takes a lot of the tension as I'm getting this, but I could still get her arm into full extension. The tendency is for it to snap back in this position, but if she was on the ground and supporting her arm, and I fell on the back of her arm, would have no trouble getting really hurting her arm. So the amount of protection that you get from this particular type using the elastic fan is really pretty minimal. And especially if you're in a collision sport, football or hockey or rugby, I wouldn't suggest this type of fan at all. What we'll do is build something that's